Hello and welcome to GUI.Dog. Oh yes. What are we doing today? We are doing VVV, a little update on VVV. Yep. So, this wild goings on. Let me make it look a bit more dramatic. Yeah. So, what we've got here. I thought this was crazy right here. That's the last video right here. 308.258 million US dollar. That's the volume right there. If I just put it on here. And yeah, and I said that was okay, what I said was it's a buyer's climax. But that's not the right terminology. It's buying climax. It's kind of sounds funny. Buyer's climax, but it's not buyer's climax, it's buying climax. And at 308 million, I thought, that was just a bit bigger than this. The next biggest, which is 278. But look at this whopper right here. Oh my goodness. 605 million. 605 million. And if we go back, and then that's like for the week that's just finished, and if we go back here, 605, the biggest is 748. That's at the beginning. That's to be expected, I guess. It's an outlier. And the next one is 551 million. So really, this is the second largest right here. The week that's just passed, second largest. And because it's so big, and then there was so little, like if you look at the actual what happened that week, it opened a bit higher than where it closed, a bit lower. And yeah, and it did a whole load of madness. So you can see by the long wicks, those long lines up above and below. But nothing much happened, and that is basically showing that there was a lot of effort, and not much happened. I will link to a video in the description that describes this. That is a sell wall. There's a wall of selling right there, and yeah, and it absorbed all that effort being put in for whoever's FOMOing into VVV. I don't know who decided it's a good idea at all-time, or near all-time highs, but on this chart all-time highs, to fear of missing out, like after the move has been done. And what I think has happened, if you take a look right here, you can see that the number of holders of VVV, there's 135,000 of us, and you can see it go up as the market cap here, right, the gray down here, goes down. So yeah, so a lot of, I guess, new people have come into the space. They've seen the gains that VVV has made, and they think that at all-time highs, I don't know why, but all-time highs, it's gonna keep on going. That's retail for you. They call them dumb money. And yeah, so on the channel I've been telling you that it's gonna fall. Okay, I was wrong by my timing. I thought it was going to happen right here, because we saw all that effort and nothing much happened. That's a sell wall right there. But it kept on tracking upward and upward and upward, yeah, until it euphoric top right there. So I'm still saying that we're going to come down. So now, it didn't look like I was right in the previous video because it kept on going up. So I kind of look silly saying it's gonna I'm bearish while it looks all hunky-dory. But the reality is that now we're seeing the proof of the pudding, and it's right there in your face. And yeah, so I am saying that it's gonna come down, and we're aiming for $3.18 to get into it, to get back into the game. And so we'll see what happens. So if you like what you're seeing, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and choose all. Give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Tell us in the comment section why you gave us a thumbs up or thumbs down. If I'm missing something, if I'm not seeing something, if I'm reading the chart wrong, tell me, give me some feedback in the comment section. If you want to see the previous video, so you know I'm not talking at the side of my neck, just like the other channels that tell you, oh yeah, they got the chart right, and now because they tweaked the chart afterwards in hindsight, and then they say, yeah, but you're not going to go and check the previous video. Then, but if you want to check the previous video here, you can click it to your left. If you're on YouTube, click to your left, and if you want to see the whole playlist of how this is played out, click to your right. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.